The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for Polk County, Highlands County, Volusia County, Hollywood County, and Springsville County. This was issued at the request of the Florida State Emergency Management for the Severe Weather Tornado Drill Day. Each Thursday in the month of January, the National Weather Service, along with the State Emergency Management, issue a test tornado warning for different counties in the state of Florida. This was only a test.